Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Eco Hotdog, a blend of education and entertainment. Electric cars are often portrayed as the saviour of our planet, but are they actually good for the environment? Watch this video to find out. To understand the environmental impact of an electric vehicle, also known as an EV, we must first consider where the electricity is sourced from. Indeed, this really does depend on individual circumstances. Different areas get their energy from different places. Some energy grids might consist of mostly renewable energy, whereas others might be mostly coal-based. So the greenness of an electric vehicle's fuel varies from car to car and might not be as clean as you think. However, even if an EV is powered by energy that comes from fossil fuels, it is still more environmentally friendly than a gas car. This is because power stations, which generate energy for electric cars, are more efficient than car engines. Power plants are bigger, meaning they use less energy to stay hot, which is why they are more efficient. So the dirtiest EV is better than the cleanest internal combustion car regarding the environmental impact of its fuel. Another aspect we must delve into is the manufacturing process of the two types of cars. In fact, the emissions caused by manufacturing are roughly the same for both, so this is the doors, the windows, the tyres, etc. However, an EV's impact is increased dramatically due to the battery. An electric car's battery is made out of lithium, which has to be mined. This process creates lots of greenhouse gases and other pollutants. We also can't really recycle these batteries since the process is not good enough yet, although it's bound to improve in the future. So the manufacturing process of an EV is more harmful to the planet compared to an internal combustion car. Alas, although manufacturing an electric car creates a lot of emissions, this is partly offset by a cleaner fuel source and a superior fuel efficiency. This is why lifetime CO2 emissions from an EV are half what they are from a conventional car. Furthermore, electric vehicles are still in their infancy and their technology will drastically improve in the near future. Hence, even though EVs are not as green as we might want them to be, they are far better than conventional cars. I hope you enjoyed that video. Farewell.